Recogniform Folder Monitor Service allows to create batches automatically, monitoring one or more folders. Folder Monitor Service automates the input step, sending batches to the control server, with no need of operator activity. To start folder monitor configuration, be sure that Recogniform Folder Monitor Service is active. Then, use your browser to reach the settings page. You can create different tasks, defining, for each of them, the folder to monitor, the template to use, and other configuration parameters. To create a new task, click on the New button at the bottom left of the page. Type a name to identify the task. Define the minutes polling interval. And set the folder to monitor, with the possibility to include subfolders or not. If you wish to create one job per folder, flag the specific option. The semaphore file allows to suspend batch creation until a specific file is in the folder. For example, you may use a semaphore file to avoid partial sendings during massive files copying operation. The content of the semaphore file can be stored into the job variable, semaphore file, in order to be available during the next processing steps. In the File Extensions section, set the admitted files formats. For example, you may decide to include TIFF and PDF files processing only, skipping any other file. If this section is empty, all graphic files will be included. The Pages to Check option performs a preliminary page checking in order to avoid corrupted or invalid files sending. To ignore image resolution, check the specific flag. The Allowed Page Range allows to verify the number of the pages of each file. In this way, you can process only files with a specified number of pages, or a specific range of pages. While the backup folder will contain all processed files, the error folder will contain all files that have not been sent to the control server. If you wish to be notified with an email, flag the Notify Error by Email option. In the Template section, select the RFD file with capture configuration instructions. To know more about RFD files and template configuration, look at Recogniform Application Designer, Video Tutorials section. Set the control server IP address and port, then type the optional job description. This value will be the job name variable value. Define the maximum files per job, set the job priority and click OK to save the task. Please note that this task will not be active until enabled. To do it, click on Edit button, then flag the Enabled checkbox. Then, press OK to save the task configuration again. Within the configured polling interval, Folder Monitor Service processes the files found in the monitored folder, and sends batches to the control server. The monitored folder is now empty. The automatic import process has been completed with success.